Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can remove a note from Facebook. This is a very simple process, nothing difficult about this at all. Let's get started. So simply what you want to do is tap on the note on top of your profile photo, and then once you've done that, you should immediately get an option to delete the note. Go ahead and simply confirm the deletion by tapping it. Now, here's a more detailed breakdown of it. Simply access your profile, tap the menu in the top right corner of Facebook, and then tap your name. Go to your profile and locate the note. Once you locate the note, tap on the note and then tap the option to delete note. And of course, confirm by tapping delete. It's as simple as that. And once you've deleted it, you can go ahead and replace your note with something else, a new phrase, a new catchphrase, or whatever you wish. It's as simple as that, nothing difficult about it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.